Alright YouTube, so as you can see from the title and the thumbnail, we about to be changing out my backup camera because sometimes it's inverted, sometimes it doesn't come on at all, sometimes it cuts on and cuts off, sometimes it glitches. I just need to get a new one. Instead of trying to keep this one and figure out if there's some type of issue with the one I already got, we're just gonna go ahead and change it out. But as you can see, I popped out all of these little rivets that lie all the way around, and now we're about to pop this thing off, and then we're gonna be taking our camera out, so y'all stay tuned. Alright, so now that we got our back layer removed, now we got to figure out a way to get this off. Our backup camera is going to be about right here, so we're going to go ahead and take this whole thing off. Alright, now all I got to do is disconnect this wire right here, disconnect that wire, and I believe there's 2 more bolts that I got to find, and then we'll be able to remove this part. So I'm going to get back at y'all in 1 minute. Alright, so the next step is to remove this from up there. It's gonna take a lot of wiggling, bro. It seemed like when I watched the tutorial on this, the guy just snatched it right out. For me, I had to wiggle it around so many times. I was hoping that I wouldn't break anything. But the next step is obviously to remove these 2, and then we're gonna install the new camera. Alright, so I'm hoping and praying that this works, guys. This doesn't have nothing on the back like that does, but it came from Amazon, so we're gonna see if it works. It looks about the same, but we're gonna see. Look at the old camera compared to the new camera. I'm hoping that this new camera works though, man. We're gonna see. I hope it does. Alright y'all, so this one right here is the aftermarket one that I got from Amazon. We're about to go ahead and put it back in and see if it works. Alright y'all, so after a lot of wiggling, we got this thing back up here. I just want to let y'all know that this is easy, but it's very tedious, especially for a beginner. But now that I've done it in this car, I'm pretty sure I could do it in any car. But yeah, we're gonna finish this install and I'm gonna let y'all know how it goes, man. Alright y'all, so make sure that y'all reconnect the connectors that you guys disconnected when taking the camera out. I really do want to just fire it up and see if it works, but I'm gonna go ahead and put this cover back on. We're gonna see if it works in a minute. Hold on, let me put this back on first. Alright y'all, so I just got done installing the rear camera. It's the moment of truth, y'all. Hoping that it works. Go ahead and fire that thing up. What y'all think? Y'all think it's gonna work? What y'all think? What y'all think? What y'all think? Oh, let's go. The backup camera works, man. Let's go. Okay, perfect. So yeah, man, that's how you install a rear view camera, man. Make sure y'all boys like the video if y'all learned anything from it. If you're new to the channel, make sure y'all boys subscribe. Appreciate y'all. Stay tuned for more videos.